Why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you.
When we feel love and kindness toward others, it not only makes others feel loved and cared for, but it helps us also to develop inner happiness and peace. You have to embark on your own quest to discover why you are on this planet, what makes you get out of bed in the morning, and what you uniquely contribute to the world. Continue to walk. Walking is one of the simplest forms of exercise and one that the majority of people are able to do. And the best part is, there are more than just physical benefits to exercise. Walking through nature also comes with added benefits. It often helps people to feel connected with nature and pull away from the busyness of the world. Nature is something naturally gifted by God and preserved by us. Love it more and it would take care of you and your well-being. The more you invest time with nature, the more it will bestow you with its benefits. The more you discover it, the more it will surprise you with its facilities. This is the nature of nature. Yes, nature is indeed a big blessing for all of us and for every single entity on this earth. This blessing can be utilized by us in the best possible way if we take extra care of it every day and preserve it in a beautiful way. Deep in the mountains of Bulacan lies the 13 Falls of Camachin in Doña Remedios, Trinidad. The 13 Falls is a series of small waterfalls, more likely a cascade. Several pools from shallow to deep ones are spread throughout the length of Sapang Adarna, as local calls it. This river system feeds the more known Verdivia Falls of Barangay Tabak in the same municipality.
Hindi ko alam kung nakita ko yon. Sayang. DJ. Saan kaya ako nagkabit? Teka, teka.
Say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me. beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me.
We will go to the next falls. Doon kami naligo sa falls number 6. So, ngayon pupunta kami sa falls number 7. Kasi hanggang 13 po ito, guys. So, yun.
Say take me on a treasure hunt.
So now we're in falls number 7. Yan, sobrang ganda. OMG.
The face when you sing and dance.
Daming naliligo, guys.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us.
We'll proceed to falls number 8.
Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Ay, hindi ko napuno. Hoy, love team!
君の虜になってしまえば君の虜になってしまえば How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent. Drink. Nandyan ka na, di mapaliwan. Ikaw at ako. Ikaw at ako.
Okay, tagal kitang hinana. Okay, tagal kitang hinana. Okay, tagal kitang hinana.
Balik na tayo!
Ah, dyan talaga?
Tingnan natin kung magkasya si Miss Aida.
Hindi ako magkasya ka ha. Magkasya ako. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ko pang magpalit.
Ibig sabihin, malaki
Mataba pa rin. Malaking puta kasi na. Kaya ko mag-Spider-Woman.
Kana makapitan.
Si Saida, oh.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Pauwi na kami. Tapos na yung 13 Falls. Babalik na kami doon sa aming parking area. See you there! You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing
sing and dance. Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see